So,
Yung skin ko, yung skin ko.
sorry guys, I forgot.
Zab.
Gio!
Ay,
What? Revive. Nirevive kita!
Ay, meron pa pala.
Yeah, I have many revives. I have been saving revives since day 1. Bro, what? Nakakapit ka pa rin.
Lang ah.
Wee! Ah!
Kalinis na.
Gio! Gio,
Hold on,
grabe
na
ka.
Alright, okay na.
Ay! Muhehe.
Then, ganito lang. Closes ka na. Oh! See?
We're coming!
Ay, something.
Dito. Ako.
I walked in.
Hey, Gio!
Wait lang ah. Malapit dito yung makukuha yung yung green alien skin.
Wait!
Yeah!
I can't!
You hold.
Oh,
Yan.
wee! Then,
Dito yung secret green alien skin. Dito ka.
over there! Let's swim.
Yan, ganyan. Ah.
How do I?
Keep climbing.
I'm climbing right now! Bro!
Yes.
Revive! Okay, I got revive. Ah!
Uy, ganito.
I'm following you.
Oo mo na, equip mo.
Yes, I'm gonna smash the skin.
Now, mag-i-equip ko yung aking golden.
Or still gold. How do you... Okay, I know you have the golden, but I don't know how to get the golden.
Dito sa wheel.
I know. Cute! Dito sa catapult, di ba?
Oh,
Wait lang.
jump.
Whee!
Ay, Saan ka nakahawak? Bro, what the hell is this lag?
I have many revives, so I have been saving it for many times. Wait, what? How?
Alright. 3, 2, 1.
We
Akyat.
should go over there.
No.
No!
Dapat sa catapult talaga. Nakikita mo ba akong gumagalaw ng ayos?
No. You're ugly.
Wait. Ba't ka nakatayo lang dito? Nakikita ko.
Wait, what?
Yeah, this is bottom.
This is water.
Come on. Huwag ka doon. Dito tayo. Tayo mo. Sakay. Ano ginagawa mo?
Revive. Boing. Hey, Clarence!
Ano nangyari? Ang bigat mo.
Oy, don't judge me.
Sadya.
I really eat 100 McDonald's. Just kidding! Hoy!
Ay, no. So, ninisip mo?
Can we go that
Like,
way?
Oh, here.
Back to lobby, bro. You're so dumb. Since you're dumb, I'm gonna go first.
Yeah, sure.
I am a skibidi toilet. Tapos TV dito. Bro, nasan ka?
That's weird.
You're literally standing over here.
Dito ako sa harap mo.
What do you mean? Kita-kita nandito ka eh. Bakit sa'yo, ano?
Wait, reset character. That's really delayed.
That's so delayed. That's so And ano nangyayari sa health bar ko? Bakit ano? Ngayon pa lang ano, umana.
Let's go.
Bakit? Guy can't.
Bubbles!
Come here! Come here. You do that by yourself, bro. What are you playing?
I'm eating the chunk.
I'm eating the chunky.
Eh?
Where's the food?
Weird nun ba't ka nakatayo dito?
Ha? What do you mean? Nandito talaga ako.
Dang, I'm a flying spider.
Whee!
Eh?
Where are we? Point.
Okay, gusto mo black fruit?
Yoko? Niyari, nandito ka Ayun.
Okay.
Oy, wait. Tayong dalawa lang ba yung...
Hindi,
Okay.
yung mga iba sa mga other levels na. Lauren? Lauren! Stop.
Dito tayo.
Saan? Lauren! Ano ginagawa mo?
I'm in.
Ikaw, ayaw mo ba mabit to? O, Gebrox, muna ako
Bye-bye. I'm also gonna leave anyway.
So, pwede ba tayo mag-trade ng axolotl ko?
Ano?
What's a pointy nose?
Grabe ka, boy. So, yeah. Bye, guys.